Is your internet slow even with good Wi Fi or mobile data? What if I tell you one hidden setting might be killing your internet speed? In this video, I'll show you exactly what that setting is and how to fix it in minutes. What's the problem? Many phones automatically limit background data, DNS, or network switching settings. These settings save battery but slow down your internet badly. Main setting that kills internet speed. Setting, private DNS/VPN/data saver. One of these is usually on. First, go to settings arrow network/internet. Check if data saver is on. Turn it off. Then go to private DNS. Set it to automatic. Also check if any VPN is running in the background and turn it off. Fix on Android. On Android, open settings. Arrow network and internet arrow, data saver arrow, turn it off. Then go to private DNS arrow, choose automatic. Restart your phone for best results. Extra tips to boost speed. Restart router once a week. Update phone software. Reset network settings if needed. Avoid fake booster apps. That one setting alone can make a huge difference in your internet speed. Try this fix and let me know in the comments if it worked.